Good morning from Phuket, our last day, and we're having a picnic breakfast facing the ocean. Actually, this is actually a pretty cool spot. Check this out in Patong. There behind us somewhere there is 7-Eleven facing the ocean directly, and this is like a pretty cool spot for having a breakfast. We don't have a breakfast in the hotel, but that's no problem because we can enjoy still ocean breeze. It's sometimes even better than 5-star hotel, right, Sayang?
Yes, so having a breakfast by the ocean. Cheers!
Cheers,
Coffee
guys!
time.
Having a coffee, there's 7-Eleven, coconut trees, beautiful weather, some kids, some birdies here as well. Oh, flying to me because I gave him a little bit of the sandwich though. And this is the morning on Patong Beach. Some people, locals, bringing their boats and some long-tail boats and some people exercising, but really very quiet, cozy vibe at morning in Patong. Nothing to compare to yesterday at night, but all the action is over there on the other side. So it's all, also you have to know where to go, and here is actually pretty cool. And as we are going to airport today, we are just a few hours in Phuket. We're gonna show you the few interesting spots on the way because there's actually so many observation points. We're gonna stop and have a little stroll, little bit off the roads. And today's in general travel vlog, we're also gonna show you the Phuket domestic terminal. How does it look like? We're going back to Bangkok. All right, guys. So this is the Patong at morning, around 9:30 at morning actually. Still not so busy. All the businesses actually are, waking up. Mostly the vendors on the beach, they are just coming, bringing their gears. You can still find plenty of spaces to park, or maybe actually no, but still actually you could find. But so people already going and is cleaning something truck at the front. So that's the peaceful life actually at morning, like everywhere. Life usually starts at night, but at morning is actually very good. What is this machine by the way? So cool, right? And this is area of the Bangla Road in Patong, basically here, main beach in Patong. Where is the truck taking the rubbish, so also they taking care of all of the cleanliness and everything, which is actually very cool. Big thumb up. So much rubbish bags, but they are taking them away. And this is the Patong beach, of course, on the Bangla Road here, the entrance. We were filming this one recently, so you can check out my previous video if you are interested. And this is the rest of the Patong beach area. Actually, that's how it's called. One-way road. You can find McDonald's, Burger King, some beach club here as well, and so many restaurants. And that's the life at morning. All right, and this is the situation next to at the front of the 4 Points by Sheraton on the other side of the Patong beach. As you can see, it's a little bit different than on the other sides, of course. Here is the promenade and the smaller beach, and it's actually also very enjoyable, as is the big 4 Points by Sheraton on the other side of the street. It's a little bit different vibe, less water sports, but still actually jet skis and the vendors and everything. Actually, it's pretty similar at the end. Patong Beach, this is the area of the roundabout, and we are going straight right now. This is going into Bang Tower direction, also into the airport direction, but there is few interesting spots to show you. This is also Novotel Phuket, in case if you would like to stay in Novotel, everything is here. And check this out, the beach and the road. It's actually so cool over here, and even there is like a mountain-ish road, so many corners and everything. It's still, traffic is very moderate. It's not like overcrowded or anything. It's like that no matter what time you're going. Yesterday we were coming back at sunset time, passing the same road, and it was very nice. No traffic jam at all. So it's actually pretty cool. And look at this on the beach right now. You can find from the road the views like this one is actually very cool. I'm gonna tell you, it's cool.
All right, so we decided to just stop, for a while to see how beautiful in the beach on the way, and look at this white sand beach. In the morning already, people going to the beach, enjoying sunshine, enjoying the blue ocean water. And look at that.
So nice, and so many kids actually there. I will change the camera lens and zoom a little bit for you to show you. They're enjoying. Even it's actually super hot though. It's actually super hot.
And I saw also there are some catamarans and small fishing boat. Very nice. And the weather today is not that super humid, but very enjoyable, windy. very nice. And yeah, I think that there are so many people already having a great time in the morning after breakfast. Arrived to Kamala beach, and we will show you how it is, probably, you know, showing around and, you know, stroll around before we are heading to airport.
Because here is a little bit different than the beach club where we were on the other side. And there's so many beautiful, beautiful coconut trees here. At morning is a little bit different vibe, and it's actually so cool. And this is also seems like a surf vibe. However, I'm not sure if you can surf, but there are many surfboards and some cozy restaurants as well. So this is actually a very nice beach. This one is like very tropical, small, cozy vibe. I mean, not much bars or something. There are some restaurants on the other side, actually, over here. At morning, pretty quiet, but on the lunchtime, definitely they are busy. So many coconut trees just directly on the beach still, which is so cool. I mean, if you're watching me still longer while, you know, I really love the coconut trees. So this one is actually very cool. And in general, beautiful beach, clean, white sand, low tide, warm. It's actually hot, already getting very hot. It's already at 10 o'clock, it's 33 degrees, by the way, just in case if you're interested, what's the temperature here in Phuket. It's pretty hot right now, and that's generally the vibe here. So cool, actually, pretty cool. Sam, what do you think? Your impression?
Oh my God. We've been, I think that 5 beach already, yeah, honey?
Karon, Kata, Surin,
and Kamala.
And Patong,
yeah,
5 beach.
Yes, 5 beach. So all of them amazing. I don't know, I just speechless.
It's okay. All is good. It's just cool. That's the most important thing. Alright guys, we just arrived to the airport, Phuket domestic terminal. We are flying to Bangkok. It's definitely busier than I was here last time. That's without any doubts. Yeah, and that's cool. That was our short trip to Phuket. I hope so you enjoyed. Beautiful weather, beautiful beaches. Well, let me know in the comments what do you think. I will see you tomorrow in Bangkok. See ya, take care guys.